Welcome to the CleansterPro app, a new and improved way for cleaning professionals to connect with clients. Here's how to claim a job on CleansterPro. The app has tabs for your tasks, earnings, messages, and schedule. You can adjust your working hours for each day like so. By heading to the More tab, you'll see the option to edit or preview your profile, modify settings, seek help, or view a full earning history. Notice that there is a starting hourly rate. The rates increase automatically based on service quality and performance. New job requests will appear under the New Requests section within My Task. With each request, you get an overview of the type of property, date, time, location, and pay. You can tap on the address to view in Maps. And you can click on the job request to view more details. If needed, you can tap Message to communicate with the host. To accept a job, tap the Accept button. Once claimed, you can also add this job to your phone's calendar. Now, My Task will display the job under the Accepted Jobs section. We just covered accepting jobs where the client requests you as a pro. But Cleanster also lets you find jobs that are open to the marketplace. You'll get notified when there are jobs in your selected area. You can head over to the Schedule tab and click on any date to view available jobs. Then, you can tap to claim the job. If you require further assistance, please visit www.cleanster.com.